said after the NCP, now Eknath Shinde's Shiv Sena, the other NDA ally, has expressed unhappiness with getting just a Minister of State independent charge berth in Modi 3.0. Party Chief Whip Srirang Barane says we were expecting a cabinet berth. Chirag Paswan has 5 MPs with the Lok Janshakti Ram Vilas. Jitan Ram Manji has got 1. The JDS got 2 MPs elected, but they still got 1, cabinet ministry. Then despite getting 7 Lok Sabha seats, why the Eknath Shinde Sena has got only an MOS independent charge? He has a point. The chief whip of the Shinde Sena has expressed the party's unhappiness over getting only 1 MOS independent charge and not cabinet. Take a look.
शिवसेना पक्षाला आम्ही अपेक्षा करत होतो की शिवसेना पक्षाला कॅबिनेट मंत्रिपद मिळेल, परंतु ज्या पक्षाचा एक खासदार निवडून आला त्या पक्षाला कॅबिनेट मंत्रिपद देण्यात आलं. प्रामुख्याने HD कुमारस्वामी कर्नाटकचे यांचे 2 खासदार निवडून आले, त्यांना कॅबिनेट मंत्रिपद देण्यात आलं. जितन राम माझी हे बिहारमधून निवडून आले, स्वतः एकटे निवडून आले, त्यांना कॅबिनेट मंत्रिपद देण्यात आलं. त्याचबरोबर चिराग पासवान यांचे 5 खासदार निवडून आलेले आहेत बिहारमधून आणि त्यांना कॅबिनेट मंत्रिपद देण्यात आलं. खरं तर शिवसेना पक्षाचे 7 खासदार आले. एकूणच महाराष्ट्रामध्ये भारतीय जनता पक्षाने 28 जागा लढवल्या, शिवसेनेने 15 जागा लढवल्या. 28 जागेमध्ये भारतीय जनता पक्षाचे 9 खासदार निवडून आले आणि शिवसेनेचे 7 खासदार निवडून आले. आमची अपेक्षा होती की शिवसेना पक्षाला एक कॅबिनेट मंत्री आणि एक राज्यमंत्रीपद मिळेल अशी अपेक्षा होती.
Mustafa Sheikh is live with me for more on this. Mustafa, trouble brewing from the Shinde Sena. They say they're not happy with the MOS independent charge berth. Allies with a lower number of MPs have been given cabinet berths or a larger number of berths. What are you hearing? Is there likely to be some kind of action?
See, earlier as you were discussing that this is a coalition government, even if Prime Minister Narendra Modi is in charge, there are demands, there are aspirations of other parties. That is one point. Second, remember that because the NCP Ajit Pawar was offered a MOS cabinet, they have not taken it. In this case, Eknath Shinde has accepted the MOS charge. So whether Srirang Barane is speaking about injustice to the NDA or to the party himself is another question. The second important point is that Maharashtra regional party is getting MOS berths at a time where in just 3 to 4 months there is a state election due to happen. Whether the BJP can afford to upset its allies is another question which is coming out of this entire issue. So clearly what's going on is a question, but yes, it seems that the Maharashtra allies of the NDA, be it the NCP, Ajit Pawar or Shiv Sena, Eknath Shinde, both there are murmurs among the member of parliaments, among the party leaders that justice has not been done, and in fact Srirang Barane has spelled out the people who have been given the cabinet berth and the number of MPs they have won and the number of MPs Shiv Sena Eknath Shinde has won is much more than them. So clearly this is happening this evening. Eknath Shinde is chairing a meeting of MPs and MLAs. This issue can come up there. We'll wait and see how Eknath Shinde responds to Srirang Barane's statement. Back to you.
Okay, Mustafa, thanks very much. We'll keep an eye on that developing story as well.